Fineas.ai has just hit the market, and today I'm going to review 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new AI software. If you're curious about whether this is the right AI tool for you, stick with me through this review, because we're diving deep into its features, pros, cons, and everything you need to make an informed decision. Plus, if you want to try Fineas.ai for free, I've got a link for you down in the description. First off, Fineas.ai stands out because it's built with one goal in mind: helping businesses automate and scale smarter. Whether you're into digital marketing, e-commerce, or content creation, this AI tool promises to optimize your processes and boost efficiency. But is it really the best AI software to help with your needs? Let's take a closer look at what Fineas.ai brings to the table. One of the biggest highlights is the automation features. Unlike other tools on the market, Fineas.ai offers incredibly powerful automation workflows that can handle everything from lead generation to customer engagement. It's designed to streamline operations without needing much technical know-how. For small businesses or marketers who want to free up their time without sacrificing quality, this is a game changer. Now, let's talk about integration. Fineas.ai integrates seamlessly with a range of popular tools, which makes it easy to incorporate into your existing workflow. Whether you're using CRM software, email platforms, or social media management tools, Fineas.ai connects them all with minimal effort. This makes scaling up your business that much easier. Another feature that stands out is the AI-driven analytics. Fineas.ai doesn't just track metrics, it helps you make sense of them. The software uses AI to analyze data and provide actionable insights that can help you optimize your campaigns and strategies. If you're not data savvy, this is a real time saver, as the AI does the heavy lifting for you. The software is also incredibly user-friendly, with a clean interface that makes navigation easy even for beginners. You don't need to be a tech expert to take full advantage of its features. Fineas.ai's intuitive design allows you to get started right away without a steep learning curve, which is a huge plus for busy entrepreneurs. But it's not all perfect. One downside is that some of the advanced features are locked behind higher tier pricing plans. So, while it's a great tool, if you want access to everything it offers, you might need to invest a bit more. However, given the value it provides, it could still be worth it for those looking for an AI solution that grows with their business. Another area where Fineas.ai shines is its customer support. Many users report that they get quick and helpful responses when they need assistance. Whether you're facing a technical issue or need help navigating through features, Fineas.ai's support team is dedicated to ensuring that users can make the most of the software. Lastly, let's talk about the future of Fineas.ai. Given its recent release, the platform is still evolving, and it's clear that the team behind it has big plans for expansion. Expect to see updates that introduce more features and refine existing ones, which is an exciting prospect for anyone considering adopting this AI tool for the long run. So, is Fineas.ai the best AI software for you? If you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use tool that helps automate tasks, provides in-depth analytics, and integrates with your existing tools, it might just be what you need. And don't forget, if you want to try Fineas.ai for free, check out the link in the description below. I've also got a list of my recommended AI software tools that you can try for free after testing thousands of options, so make sure to check them out.